Welcome back. Now we're going to step back and understand what even is the intriguing world of AI or artificial intelligence. Now, AI is an extensive field. It's rooted in the concept of building machines capable of thinking and learning like human beings. Now, this might conjure images of science fiction, but AI is actually already part of our everyday lives. So from personalized Netflix recommendations to Siri on our iPhones or even Google Maps, AI is actually already here, but it's growing more sophisticated by the day and it's growing at a really rapid pace. Now, before we delve further, it's important to understand the diverse subsectors of AI. It's a broad field and each subsector brings its unique capabilities and potential applications. So first, let's start with machine learning, which is a key subsector of AI. Machine learning is all about designing algorithms that allow machines to learn from data. It then makes predictions and decisions based on what it's already learned. So you know when you're on Netflix and you get a list of recommended shows, or you're on Amazon doing a bit of shopping and it suggests what you should buy? Well, these are classic examples of machine learning in action. Now, in wealth and investment management, machine learning is going to help us a lot because it can help us analyze vast amounts of financial data, forecast market trends, and actually tailor your investment strategies. But I'll come on to this a little bit later. Now, next we have deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning, and it takes things a little bit of a step further by actually mimicking the human brain structure. I understand it all sounds a little bit dystopian, but it genuinely is amazing. Deep learning algorithms, also known as neural networks, they can learn from enormous quantities of data. An easy example of deep learning probably exists in your home already with things like Alexa, Siri, Cortana. And these virtual assistants, they use deep learning to understand the language and terminology humans use when interacting with you. Now, in our context, deep learning can be used to detect things like fraudulent transactions or predict market movements with an unprecedented level of accuracy. And I'm going to come on to that in a little bit more detail soon too. Then we have natural language programming. Now, NLP, it's all about enabling machines to understand and interact with human language. You haven't heard of ChatGPT, have you? I thought so. Now, ChatGPT, it's a great example of NLP in use. The model developed by OpenAI, it's become a viral sensation in the last 6 months, giving the average individual, the average person, direct access to the power of AI. In its application, NLP enables ChatGPT to understand and generate human-like text, making it a really powerful tool for various tasks like drafting emails, writing articles, creating written content, assisting in customer service, and much, much more. Now, in the wealth management sphere, NLP can help us automate client communication, analyze client sentiments, and even interpret complex regulatory texts. And I'm going to come on to that in a bit more detail in future courses so you can understand that a little bit better too. Now, you've also got aspects like computer vision, which focuses on enabling machines to understand and interpret visual data. So think of facial recognition in our smartphones or autonomous vehicles recognizing obstacles if you drive a Tesla. Although not as directly applicable to wealth management, computer vision has potential in areas like KYC or in creating more interactive visual client experiences. Now, AI in its many forms has come a long way since its inception. It was originally conceived as an idea in the mid-20th century, and it's gradually evolved from basic rule-based algorithms to more complex systems that learn and improve over time. Today, it's a thriving field with advancements occurring at an accelerating pace. And look, it's not just the speed of change, it's the scale that's equally astounding. More than ever before, AI is weaving itself into the very fabric of our lives, reshaping industries, including wealth and investment management. Now, as we look to the future, this velocity of change shows absolutely no signs of slowing down. Instead, it's predicted to increase with AI systems growing more sophisticated, more capable, and more integrated into our world. This isn't just relevant to you and your business, it's relevant to your clients and their everyday lives, whether it's business, whether it's in their employer, or whether it's even in their home. That's why understanding and embracing AI is so crucial. This journey of uncovering AI, it might seem complex, but with each step, we're going to make it much simpler and much more tangible throughout this course. Remember, we're not just learning about a new technology, we're preparing for a new era, and I can't wait to show you throughout this course and in future courses exactly how that's going to go. Are you ready for the speed of change that AI is bringing to our industry? I really hope so.